simple healthy breakfast foods that help you lose weight. This video is created for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. We are not doctors. Eggs are rich in protein and have been shown to increase fullness, reduce food intake later in the day and enhance weight loss. Wheat germ is high in fiber. Studies show that cereal fiber may help reduce appetite, decrease your risk of weight gain and keep blood sugar levels stable. Yogurt is high in protein and has been associated with decreased hunger and food intake, plus a lower risk of weight gain. Smoothies can be a convenient way to increase your intake of fiber and protein to reduce hunger and increase weight loss. Be sure not to add too many high-calorie ingredients. Green tea and its components have been shown to increase fat burning and your number of burnt calories, which could aid weight loss.